In this video, I'll show you how to add authentication with Supabase. First, sign into your Supabase account and open the project where you want to enable authentication. Then, click Authentication from the left-hand menu. Next, open the Providers section and enable the sign-in methods you want to offer, such as email, Google, GitHub, or other available providers. Configure any required settings, and save your changes. After that, integrate Supabase Authentication into your application by connecting it to your login and sign-up pages. Configure the sign-up, sign-in, and sign-out actions so users can securely access your app. Now, set up any additional authentication options you need, such as email confirmation, password reset, or user session management. Test each feature to make sure it works correctly. Finally, create a test account and sign in to verify that authentication is working as expected. Once everything is functioning properly, your app will be ready for users to create accounts and log in securely. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add authentication with Supabase. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.